Right. Oh, hello everybody. I'm on plot 25. Ooh. Yeah, look at this. Not bad, not bad. Oh, it's all very peaceful on the plots today. Plot, rather. Yeah, that's so far. It's really starting to ripen, and I mean, it's dripping with fruit. And with more to come, because it's still in flower a little bit. And plenty that are, you know, not yet near to being ripe. So with these, I'm going to put these straight in the freezer, these ones, when I get, well, after I've washed them. And so until I've got enough to make jam from. Oh, yeah, it's nasturtiums are doing well. Look at all that. I mean, it's been a good week since I've been here, possibly even longer than that. So I have just done a bit of trimming on the edges just to keep it maintained. The Taunton Dean, I should harvest some of that actually, take it home. I do, you know, want to actually uproot it, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Onion flowers. Who loves onion flowers? I certainly do. Oh, it's going to be a wash. I mean, look at the second Taunton Dean though. That really suffered. So that's kind of a goner really, which is a bit of a shame. But this one looks absolutely fantastic. Does anyone know how to do the cuttings from these? Because I might do some cuttings. That would be quite a good idea. But it's got lots of new growth, I can see. Yeah, onion flowers. Or leek. These are leeks actually. I forgot. Yeah, it needs a little bit of a tidy up, but I'm not worried too much because I will get round to that. I've done a bit today. I'll probably maybe come here tomorrow. It's difficult now because this is just before work, but you know how it is. The plot 26 is no longer mine, but never mind. You've got to move on, haven't you? We've been there, done that. Got the t-shirt where you've got to let go of things. But look at the boysenberry. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it fantastic? This is why I want to take it home. So this is why I'm actually mainly holding on to plot 25 for the boysenberry and the Taunton Dean and the plum tree. I might leave the apple tree here because there's plenty of fruit. I don't know yet. It's a big enough garden, isn't it? Oh, and the pomegranate, that I must take 100%. Oh, and the honey berry, which is, it's been too hot, I think, lately. It's a bit suffered there, so yeah. Right, well, it's a quick visit. Oh gosh, it's hot. I've got to go to work. Oh, in fact, this is all the growth for next year. So the interesting thing is how, if I do manage to transplant it, I might have to cut it right back and just lose a year. It's quite a vigorous plant. It seems to want to, you know, because I did cut it back at the wrong time last year, so I think it'll be okay. If I can save as many of these new growth as possible when I do cut it back, once I've harvested everything, and then dig it up and take it with me. But that's the plan anyway, but that won't be till autumn, so I probably will come and visit on the odd occasion with you just to kind of see what's going on, mainly to just harvest the boysenberries. Not a lot else really is going on. Anyway, I think that'll be me for the day. Short and sweet. Take care everybody, and I'll see you on the home plots. Bye.